Respiratory system. The respiratory system is a biological system which is mainly useful for the exchange of gases in human beings. The organs present are nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles and lungs. Nose and nasal cavity. The position of the nose, it is mainly divided by a septum. Anteriorly it contains a hyaline cartilage and the roof is mainly formed by ethmoid bone and floor is formed by roof of the mouth, and a medial wall is formed by septum and lateral walls are formed by maxilla. The respiratory functions of the nose involves, the first one is warming function. This function is mainly done because of the mucosa which is present in the nose. And the next function is filtering and cleaning the particles. The hairs which are present in the nose will clean the particles and filter the particles. It is also useful in humidification of the air. And the next one is pharynx. Pharynx is also a part of the throat which is present behind the mouth and nasal cavity, and it is present above the esophagus and larynx. The length of the pharynx is almost 12 to 14 centimeters. And superiorly it contains a skull, inferiorly it contains esophagus, anteriorly it contains incomplete wall. And you can see the position of the pharynx in the structure. It is between the esophagus and the oral cavity. And the pharynx is mainly divided into three parts. They are nasopharynx, oropharynx and laryngopharynx. So if the pharynx which is lying behind the nose is called as nasopharynx, the pharynx which is lying behind the mouth is called as oropharynx, and the laryngeal part of the pharynx is called as laryngopharynx. You can see the three parts, the nasopharynx, oropharynx and the laryngopharynx of the pharynx. Functions of the pharynx involves mainly it acts as a passageway for the air and the food, and it also acts as an warming and humidifying agent, and taste buds like olfactory nerve endings are present which are useful for knowing the taste, and auditory tube is also present which is known for hearing purpose, and some lymphatic tissue produces antibodies. These antibodies are useful for protection against the foreign antigens. It also acts as a resonating chamber for the sound which is coming out from the larynx. This is about nose and pharynx. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.